Actor couple Jasmine Bhasin and Aili Goni recently took part in Ganpati festivities with close friends and colleagues in Mumbai. Fans loved seeing the couple enjoy the celebrations, but one particular video of Aili sparked mixed reactions online. In the video, Aili can be seen quietly standing as everyone chants Ganpati Bappa Moria. Jasmine urges him to join in, but Aili chooses to stay silent during the chant. This moment divided social media users. Some criticized Aili, saying he shouldn't attend if he's not willing to chant. One user wrote, "He is not a good man. Jasmine is after him, I don't know why." Another added, "इतना uncomfortable feel हो रहा है, तो आया क्यों जस्मिन को सोचना चाहिए." But many fans came to Aili's defense. They pointed out that since Aili is Muslim, it's his personal choice whether to chant or not. A supporter wrote, "What's wrong with people? Is chanting the only way to respect the God? Can't we see how he is enjoying the festival? Stop bullying people in the name of religion." Another thoughtful comment said, "We Muslims attend every Ganesh Puja, Durga Puja and Diwali party with grace and respect because we love our close people and friends, and that doesn't mean that we have to chant mantras just because we are being part of every festival. In Eid we host non-Muslims friends with feast and desserts but never force them to offer namaz or say kalmas." One more user added, "He came, that's enough. No one should force him to do anything, and same way he should not force Jasmine too." Jasmine and Aili are one of television's most loved couples. They fell in love during Bigg Boss 14. Despite their different religious backgrounds, their relationship has huge fan support, though some critics continue to share negative opinions about their interfaith bond. A few months ago, Jasmine addressed this criticism in an interview with the Indian Express. "The relationship is between the two of us, we have an understanding, we have had these conversations. We have reached a common ground, we have accepted each other the way we are. We are sorted between us, so nobody's opinions matter. Still, if people give negative opinions that can affect our relationship, then shame on them." She also said, "The world needs love and positivity. If two people are happy, others can keep their stupid opinions to themselves, and if they are so clever, they should focus on sorting their own lives. This is our life, and we will figure it out." Love, respect, and understanding, these are the real celebrations.